Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Apple ID password. Use I forgot. Apple.com step by step clearly. Apple.com. Open a web browser on your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or any computer you can access. In the address bar, type I forgot. Apple.com and press enter to go to Apple's official recovery page. On the page, enter the email address or phone number you use as your Apple ID. Type the characters you see in the CAPTCHA image to prove you are not a robot. Click or tap Continue to start the password reset process. Choose the option to reset your password, then select Continue again. If you are asked to confirm your phone number, enter the number linked to your Apple ID. Check your trusted Apple devices for a pop-up message about resetting your password. If the pop-up appears, tap Allow and follow the on-screen instructions. Open the inbox for your Apple ID email and look for a message from Apple about password reset. If you don't see it, check spam, junk, promotions, or any filtered folders. Open the Apple email and click the reset link provided inside. You will be taken to a secure Apple page where you can create a new password. Create a strong password that is different from old passwords you used before. Enter the new password again to confirm it matches exactly. Click or tap Reset Password to save the new password. If Apple asks for two-factor authentication, choose to receive a code on a trusted device or phone number. Enter the verification code exactly as shown, then continue. If you choose SMS or phone call, wait for the code and enter it on the website. If you cannot access your trusted number, select the option that says you don't have access and follow account recovery. When account recovery is required, provide the requested information and submit the request. Note the estimated waiting time Apple provides, and check your email or phone for updates. After the reset is complete, sign in with your new password on your iPhone, iPad, Mac, and any Apple services you use. If you use iCloud, you may be asked to enter the new password in Settings to restart syncing. Update the password on any apps or devices where your Apple ID is used, like Apple TV or Windows iTunes. If you see repeated password prompts, sign out of the Apple ID and sign back in using the new password. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.